Alright, so Robert is setting some stuff up for the video today, and we are going to go check it out.
The thing either. So,
you ready to go do your thing?
Okay, let's go.
Alright, let's go. Alright, so I walked in the shop the other day and I saw this big old red thing and I'm like, this thing looks awesome. What is it? So Robert's gonna fill us in right now on what this thing is used for, and you guys just did a show that you guys actually use this as a display for, correct?
So we were at the work truck show in Indianapolis last week. We actually won a prize there for innovation prize for truck accessories. So kudos to us.
What is the innovation? What is all that for? You guys, they considered you guys
the work truck show. They had a bunch of different new product. They had the judges look at, and we actually won one of them for the truck accessory side.
So was there like a specific like product that you guys specifically like won? Because an innovative award is like something that's like shows that we're a company that's innovative. We think out of the box, you know. So what was it that really stood out to them?
We entered in our factory step into the drawing basically, and the judges came over, and what they actually looked at the most was the deployable work truck step. Now this is a step. It's our 500-pound weight capacity step. It deploys with a kick. It has a gas spring inside. It's very heavy duty, very aggressive grip strut material on here. It's galvanized steel. It is rust resistant, and this is a very easy install product because it's a flat mount. We have this for service body vehicles, as well as we have another one that's 24 inches, another one that's 12 inches. We have them for cargo vans. We also have another one on the other side that is being made for an automatic step for vans. So anyway, this is a step that you'd have to put under your service body if you need to go get your ladder system, high up toolbox, you need to reach into the bed of your vehicle. This makes it real easy. You get down. When you're done, stow it away. Easy. You're good to go.
So this big old red thing, I'm assuming it's some type of like display like system or case for a show. And what show did you guys just do again?
It's the NTEA Work Truck Show.
So and we won the innovative award there. I think that's super cool. It's always a proud thing to be part of a company that's innovative and that thinks out of the box and is not afraid to push forward. So that's pretty cool.
That's thanks to Jeff and Javier, by the way. Kudos.
So we just wanted to make a video showing you guys this display case and kind of, what has gone into this thing. So what's going on with this side right here?
So this is where we have the HD Mega Steps. These are some of the versions you can get. We have the black version. This is brand new. It has an optional lighting source. We do have this in amber lighting, also in white LED lighting for fire department use. And we do have this available for a hitch or for a flat mount version like you see right here. It's a 500-pound weight capacity, 8-inch by 14-inch step area. Very nice for whether you have a step lower on the vehicle that you need to get up higher, or you can also use this as a grab handle to be able to pull yourself up higher.
So have you guys actually used these on fire trucks yet?
We are getting them NFPA tested right now, and they should be good to go. We have another model that has a very, very aggressive tread on it that is passing all the tests.
That's awesome.
We're good on that.
So cool. I mean, like, I love, growing up, you have like a passion for first responders and police officers and stuff like that. That is so cool that these could potentially maybe one day be on a fire truck. All right, so let's go over to this side and tell us, Robert, what's going on with this side right here.
Okay, so the power's not on right now, but if you come over here, take a look. This is our work truck step. This is the automatic version. This is at our booth. So let me open this up for you. So the hookup we have is a large battery hooked up to this system in here. There's actually an actuator inside this step, and we have this door sensor here. So basically, this is one of our new products we're looking at mass producing, which is an automatic version of that step you saw on the other side. Has same weight capacity, same installation. You just need extra time to be able to hook up your wiring. I believe, I'd have to look at some of the information. I believe we're hooking it up straight to the battery. Great option. We do have this available for the Ford Transit on the rear, as well as the side door, Chevy Cargo Express.
So this is for the Ford Transit, correct?
Yes.
Okay, and so basically you've hooked up all these wires right here, and this sensor so that when you guys open this display case, this thing pops out automatically, correct?
Yes.
Awesome. All right, guys, so this is really cool. We just wanted to show this thing off to you guys real quick. I mean, this is like, I don't know, I've never seen a display case like this. So if you guys see us in any shows or anything like that, we frequent shows throughout the year. So hopefully you guys come see us and come check out our booth, and you'll see this guy, this crazy thing back here, and this guy right here. So, all right, guys, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This is Tony, and we're from Carr Products, guys, and we'll see you guys next time.